Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. In this video, I provide the answers to the previous quiz for my plant physiology class.
1. Gibberellin hormones that are bioactive are, and the correct answer is A, GA1 and GA4. 2. Gibberellins can stimulate growth by, and the correct answer is A, loosening cell walls. 3. Gibberellins can affect, and the correct answer is D, all of the above. That's A, fruit size and shape, B, seed germination, C, sex determination of the flowers. 4. When a seed germinates, gibberellin is synthesized in the, and the correct answer is A, embryo. 5. GID1 is a gibberellin, and the correct answer is A, receptor.